Want bigger, stronger biceps without wasting your time on expensive supplements? The secret starts in your kitchen. Eating the right protein-rich foods can maximize muscle growth, speed up recovery, and help your arms grow faster when combined with strength training. Here are the 5 best foods trusted by fitness experts across the United States. Number 1. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is one of the most effective foods for building bigger biceps because it is packed with high-quality lean protein. A single serving of cooked chicken breast provides around 30 grams of complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to grow. The amino acid leucine is especially important because it activates muscle protein synthesis, the process that repairs and builds muscle tissue after resistance training. For people in the United States who regularly perform bicep curls, chin-ups, and other arm exercises, chicken breast is an affordable and easy-to-find option. It is also naturally low in saturated fat, making it a heart-healthy choice while supporting muscle growth. Pairing chicken breast with complex carbohydrates like brown rice or sweet potatoes helps replenish glycogen stores and fuels future workouts. To maximize results, eat chicken breast within 2 hours after your workout along with vegetables for vitamins and minerals that aid recovery. Grilling, baking, or air frying are healthier cooking methods than deep frying because they preserve the protein while limiting unnecessary calories. Aim for about 4 to 6 ounces per meal depending on your daily protein needs. Combined with progressive strength training and proper sleep, chicken breast can become one of the strongest nutritional tools for building thicker, stronger, and more defined biceps naturally. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are considered one of nature's perfect muscle-building foods because they provide complete protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals in one affordable package. One large egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein along with leucine, the key amino acid responsible for stimulating muscle growth after exercise. The egg yolk also contains vitamin D, choline, and healthy fats that support hormone production and muscle function. Many people avoid yolks because of cholesterol concerns, but for most healthy adults, eating whole eggs in moderation fits well into a balanced diet. Fitness enthusiasts across the United States often include eggs in breakfast because they provide lasting energy while supporting muscle recovery from strength workouts. Scrambled eggs with vegetables, boiled eggs as a snack, or an omelet with spinach are all excellent choices. Eating eggs after resistance training helps repair tiny muscle fibers damaged during exercise, allowing the biceps to become stronger and larger over time. Pair eggs with whole grain toast or oatmeal for extra carbohydrates that support recovery and replenish energy. Most active adults can safely enjoy 2 to 4 eggs daily as part of a balanced eating plan depending on their individual nutritional needs. Combined with regular arm workouts, proper hydration, and enough sleep, eggs can significantly contribute to bigger, stronger, and healthier biceps over the long term. Number 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is one of the best foods for building bigger biceps because it contains a powerful combination of fast-digesting whey protein and slow-digesting casein protein. This unique blend helps your muscles recover immediately after exercise while continuing to provide amino acids for several hours. A single cup of plain Greek yogurt typically contains 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein, making it an excellent snack for anyone trying to increase arm size. For fitness enthusiasts in the United States, Greek yogurt is widely available, affordable, and easy to include in a daily meal plan. It is also rich in calcium, potassium, and probiotics which support strong bones, proper muscle contractions, and a healthy digestive system. Better digestion allows your body to absorb nutrients more efficiently, helping maximize muscle growth. For even better results, add fresh berries, sliced bananas, oats, or a handful of almonds to increase vitamins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Avoid flavored varieties with added sugar whenever possible, as excess sugar can reduce the nutritional value. Enjoy Greek yogurt after your workout or before bedtime to support overnight muscle recovery. When combined with consistent strength training, progressive overload, and enough daily protein, Greek yogurt can play a major role in helping you build thicker, stronger, and more defined biceps naturally. Number 4. Salmon. Salmon is one of the healthiest foods for increasing muscle size because it provides premium quality protein along with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. A 4 to 6 ounce serving of salmon delivers approximately 25 to 30 grams of complete protein, giving your body all the essential amino acids needed to repair and grow muscle tissue after resistance training. Omega-3 fats help reduce inflammation caused by intense workouts, allowing muscles to recover faster and perform better during future training sessions. For people in the United States who regularly lift weights, salmon is an excellent choice because it supports both muscle growth and overall cardiovascular health. Salmon is also rich in vitamin D, vitamin B12, selenium, and potassium. These nutrients help improve muscle function, energy production, nerve health, and recovery. Grilling, baking, or air frying salmon preserves its nutritional value while avoiding unnecessary unhealthy fats. Pair salmon with brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes, or steamed vegetables to create a balanced meal that provides both protein and energy for muscle development. Eating salmon 2 or 3 times per week is a great way to support consistent progress. Combined with regular bicep exercises, adequate hydration, quality sleep, and a high-protein diet, salmon can help you build stronger, bigger, and more defined arms while improving your overall health and athletic performance. Number 5. Lean beef. Lean beef is one of the most effective muscle-building foods because it provides complete protein, iron, zinc, creatine, and vitamin B12, all nutrients that support strength, recovery, and muscle growth. A 4-ounce serving of lean beef contains approximately 25 to 28 grams of high-quality protein, making it an excellent choice for anyone working to build bigger biceps. One of lean beef's greatest advantages is its natural creatine content. Creatine helps your muscles produce more energy during high-intensity workouts, allowing you to perform more repetitions and lift heavier weights. Over time, this leads to greater muscle development and increased arm size. Iron helps transport oxygen throughout the body, reducing fatigue during training, while zinc supports immune function and tissue repair. Vitamin B12 plays a vital role in energy production and healthy nerve function, helping your muscles perform efficiently. Choose lean cuts such as sirloin, top round, or 90% lean ground beef to reduce saturated fat while maintaining high protein intake. Grill, bake, or broil the meat instead of frying to keep it healthier. Pair lean beef with vegetables and complex carbohydrates like brown rice or potatoes to create a complete recovery meal. When combined with progressive resistance training, proper hydration, and consistent protein intake, lean beef can significantly accelerate muscle growth, helping you develop larger, stronger, and more defined biceps naturally.